Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to block your house on the Google Maps application. So the first thing we're gonna do is to enter the street view near our house so that we can see this very clearly. So let me place pin somewhere here under the street view, and let's just say that this is my house. We have to tap here these three dots in the top right corner and tap report a problem. Here we are being redirected to the website of Google, and now here in this image preview we can see on the top we have to just move the preview to our home. Now below that we have reporting this image. We have to request blurring my home. Now we have to certify that we have the authority to request the blurring of this property because we are the owners or tenants. So you have to be the owner of the place if you want to blur it or block it. I also understand that this blurring is irreversible and cannot be undone. So once you do it, there's no way back. Here you have to tap this checkbox to do so, and here in this text area you can include additional information that will help Google identify that this is your house. Now you can scroll down to the email address, which is here. You have to put there your email address so that they can contact you, and here you have CAPTCHA verification. You have to just do so and then submit your request. Of course, remember that if you blur not your house, you will get some consequences. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.